top 5 best egg incubator. Number 5. HovaBator 2370 Egg Incubator Deluxe Combo Kit. The HovaBator 2370 Egg Incubator Deluxe Combo Kit is an all-in-one solution for egg incubation. This kit includes the incubator, an automatic egg turner, a digital thermometer and hygrometer, and a fan kit. The incubator itself can hold up to 42 chicken eggs, making it suitable for small to medium-sized poultry operations. The included fan kit ensures even temperature distribution, and the automatic egg turner takes the guesswork out of egg turning. The digital thermometer and hygrometer allow for precise monitoring of the incubation environment. This comprehensive kit simplifies the incubation process and increases your chances of successful hatching. Coming in number 4. Brinsea Products Mini 2 Advanced Automatic 7. For those with limited space or smaller batches of eggs, the Brinsea Products Mini 2 Advanced Automatic 7 is an excellent choice. This compact incubator can accommodate up to 7 chicken eggs and provides advanced features for optimal hatching conditions. It offers fully automatic temperature and humidity control, as well as automatic egg turning. The clear lid allows you to easily monitor the progress without disturbing the eggs. Despite its smaller size, this incubator offers the same level of precision and reliability as larger models from Brinsea. Coming in number 3. Brinsea Products USA G47C Automatic Incubator. Brinsea is a well-known name in the world of egg incubation, and the Brinsea Products USA G47C Automatic Incubator lives up to its reputation. This incubator is fully automatic, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced breeders alike. It can hold up to 48 chicken eggs and offers precise digital temperature control. The egg turning is also automated, ensuring that the eggs receive the proper care they need. With its reliable temperature and humidity management, the Brinsea USA G47C helps maximize your hatching success rate. Coming in number 2. Farm Innovators 4250 Circulated Incubator. The Farm Innovators 4250 Circulated Incubator is a reliable choice for hatching various types of poultry eggs. It has a spacious capacity, accommodating up to 41 chicken eggs, which is perfect for breeders and small farms. The built-in fan provides consistent air circulation, maintaining uniform temperature and humidity levels throughout the incubator. This ensures that your eggs develop evenly and hatch successfully. The digital display and user-friendly controls make it easy to set and monitor the incubation conditions. Coming in number 1. Manna Pro Harris Farms Nurture Right Egg Incubator. The Manna Pro Harris Farms Nurture Right Egg Incubator is a top-quality egg incubator suitable for a variety of poultry eggs. With a capacity of up to 24 chicken eggs, this incubator is a great choice for small-scale poultry enthusiasts. It offers both automatic and manual egg turning options, which are crucial for proper egg development. The built-in temperature control ensures a stable environment for your eggs. The digital display makes it easy to monitor and adjust the temperature and humidity settings.